Hi friends, welcome to Masterclass channel. So today onwards should start with preparation of GATE 2020 for ECE. So in this video I'm going to post you syllabus for ECE department. So followed by this video I am plan to post prescribed textbook for you to prepare the GATE 2020 for ECE department, and followed by I will keep on posting some questions and answer from each topic. So let's enter into the session. First, syllabus for GATE ECE 2020. So section 1 we have engineering mathematics. So here in engineering mathematics we focus on linear algebra, then calculus, differential equations, vector analysis, complex analysis, numerical methods, probability and statistics. So these are the main area you should focus on this topic syllabus. So I will give you inner depth content of each topic. So in linear algebra we have vector space, basis, linear dependence and independence, matrix algebra and eigenvectors, rank, solution of linear equations, existence and uniqueness. Once again I repeat, in linear algebra we have vector space, basis, linear dependence and independence, matrix algebra, eigenvalue and eigenvectors, rank, solution of linear equations, existence and uniqueness. So second topic, calculus. So here in this part we have mean value theorems, theorems of integral calculus, evaluation of definite and improper integrals, partial derivatives, maxima and minima, multiple integrals, line, surface and volume integrals, Taylor series. Next we move on to differential equation. In this part we should concentrate more on this area, that is first order equation. It means linear equation and non-linear equation. Then higher order linear differential equations, Cauchy's and Eulers equations, method of solution using variation of parameters, complementary functions and particular integral and particular differential equations, variable separable methods, initial and boundary values problems. Next we move on to vector analysis. So in vector analysis we should focus on this part, that is vectors in plane and surface, vector operations, gradient, divergence and curl, Gauss's, Green's and Stokes theorem. So next part will be complex analysis. So here we have analytic function, Cauchy's integral theorem, Cauchy's integral formula, Taylor's and Lorentz series, then residue theorem. Next part will be numerical methods. So here we focus on solution of nonlinear equations, single and multi-step methods for differential equations, convergence criteria. Then next part will be probability and statistics. So here we focus on mean, median, mode and standard deviation. Then combinational probability, probability distribution functions. Here we have binomial, Poisson, exponential and normal. Then joint and conditional probability, correlation and regression analysis. So these are all the part we focus on engineering mathematics. So next we move on to section 2. So this is a core part of your subject. Section 2, first we start with networks, then signals and system. Okay, so from networks, here we have network solution methods. So nodal and mesh analysis, network theorem. So here we focus on superposition theorem, Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem, maximum power transfer, Y delta transformation, steady state sinusoidal analysis using phasors, time domain analysis of simple linear circuits, solution of network equations using Laplace transform, frequency domain analysis of RLC circuits, linear two-port network parameters, driving point and transfer functions, state equation for networks. Okay, these are on the topic you focus on under the part of network subject. Next subject is signals and system. So here we focus on continuous time signals, Fourier series and Fourier transform representation, sampling theorem and applications, discrete time signals, discrete time Fourier transform DTFT, DFT, FFT, Z transform, interpolation of discrete time signals, LTI systems, definition and properties, causality, stability, impulse response, convolution, poles and zeros, parallel and cascade structure, frequency response, group delay, phase delay, digital filter design techniques. Friends, for the signal system, we have already posted so many videos in our channel. If you want to know more detail about this topic, you just watch that video. You can get more information about this signals and system. Next, in section 3, electronic devices. So here in this subject, it contains energy bands in intrinsic and extrinsic silicon, carrier transport, diffusion current, drift current, mobility and resistivity, generation and recombination of carriers, Poisson and continuity equations, PN junction, Zener diode, BJT, mass capacitor, MOSFET, LED, photodiode, and solar cell. Integrated circuit fabrication process. Here, oxidation, diffusion, ion implantation, photolithography, and twin tube CMOS process. So in section 4, analog circuits. So in this subject, it consists of small signal equivalent circuit of diodes, BJTs and MOSFETs, simple diode circuits, clipping, clamping and rectifiers, single stage BJT and MOSFET amplifiers, biasing, bias stability, mid frequency small signal analysis and frequency response. Next topic, BJT and MOSFET amplifiers, that is multi-stage differential, feedback, power and operational, simple op-amp circuits, active filters, sinusoidal oscillators, criterion for oscillations, a single transistor and op-amp configurations, function generators, wave shaping circuits and 555 timers, voltage reference circuits, power supplies, ripple removal and regulation. So these are all the course contents under the subject, analog circuits. So next section 5, digital circuits. So in this subject, it consists of number systems, combinational circuits, Boolean algebra, minimization of functions using Boolean identities and Karnaugh map, logic gates and their static CMOS implementation, arithmetic circuits, code converters, multiplexers, decoders and PLAs. Next part is sequential circuit. Here we focus on latches and flip-flops, counters, shift registers and FSM, that is finite state machines. Next part will be data converters. Here we focus on sample and hold circuit, ADCs and DACs, then semiconductor memories, that is ROM, SRAM, DRAM, 8-bit microprocessor, that is 8085, 8085 architecture, programming, memory, and I/O interfacing. So these are the course content for digital circuits. Next section, number 6, control system. So here in this subject, it consists of basic control system components: feedback principle, transfer function, block diagram representation, signal flow graph, transient and steady state analysis of LTI system, frequency response, Ruth Hurwitz and Nyquist stability criteria, Bode and root locus plots, lag lead and lag lead compensation, state variable model, and solution of state equation of LTI systems. Okay, so next section 7, that is communication. So in this subject, the course content are follows: random process. So here we focus on autocorrelation and power spectral density, principle of white noise, filtering of random signals through LTI systems. Next part will be analog communication. So here we focus on amplitude modulation and demodulation, then angle modulation and demodulation, spectra of AM and FM, super heterodyne receivers, circuits for analog communication, information theory, then entropy, mutual information and channel capacity theorem. So next part will be digital communication. So here we focus on PCM, DPCM, digital modulation scales, amplitude, phase and frequency shift keying. So here we have ASK, PSK and FSK. Then QoM, map, that is MAP and ML decoding, matched filter receiver, calculation of bandwidth, SNR and BER for digital modulation, fundamentals of error correction, Hamming codes, timing and frequency synchronization, inter-symbol interference and its mitigations, basics of TDMA, FDMA and CDMA. So these are all the course content for communication subjects. So next section will be 8, that is number 8, electromagnetics. So here we focus on electrostatistics, that is Maxwell equation. So here differential and integral form and their interpretations, boundary conditions, wave equations, Poynting vector, plane wave and properties, reflection and refractions, polarizations, phase and group velocity, propagation through various media, skin depth, transmission lines, equations, characteristics, impedance, impedance matching, impedance transformation, then S parameters, Smith chart. So next part will be waveguides. So here we focus on modes, boundary conditions, cutoff frequency, dispersion relations. Then we focus on antennas. So here antenna types, radiation pattern, gain and directivity, return loss, antennas arrays, basics of radar, light propagation in optical fibers. So these are the course contents under this subject, that is electromagnetics. Okay, so totally we have 8 different sections we have, especially for EC department. So kindly follow the note down this syllabus and starts to prepare for your GATE examination 2020. So next video I will be posting what are the prescribed textbook for this each subject. Okay, so thank you students, thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe this channel and just click the bell icons in this channel. Thank you students.